The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, fog lights, compass, trip computer, child safety locks, clock, overhead console, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.